Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this prepared condo porridge or condo porridge, okay, or red porridge. Yes, so you need a condo and this dried pepper and also some ginger and cloves. The ginger and cloves are very important because they give this porridge some good aroma and a very good taste as well. So all you are going to do is to transfer everything into a blender. Then you add water. Add enough water, okay? Add enough water so you'll be able to blend these things very well until they are smooth. And the next stage is to strain. You do not want to pour all of this into your cooking pot and start preparing your cocoa. You want to strain it, and straining is going to just help you to trap all the chaffs. Okay, yes, it's going to help you trap all the chaff just as you see in this video. So I realized here that the chaff still got some good stuffs in it, so I added water. Okay, the water is going to help lighten the chaff a little, so I still get my good juice down there. Okay, yes, and this is just perfect. Now all you are going to do here is to get a perfect consistency, and this is just perfect for me. Okay, so you see the dried pepper from earlier. If you do not have that, okay, you can just go ahead and use this pepper. It's also good, but know the quantity. Okay, don't use too much because it will be very hot. Add your salt to taste, then continue to stir this on the fire. Don't leave it, continue to stir until everything is well done. If you realize it thickens a little as you go by, just add some water to it and then ensure to continue stirring. Okay, to just suit your preference. If you want it light, just do it to suit your preference. If you want it thick, just do it to suit your preference. I want my in between. I don't want it very thick and I don't want it too light. Okay, I just want it in a way that after adding my sugar and milk, everything will just come out perfect. Okay, that is what I really love, and you can see this consistency is just perfect. There are no lumps or even anything there. It's just smooth. Okay, so all I'm going to do is to go ahead and add my sugar. You can use any sweetener of your choice. Okay, if you do not prefer the white sugar I'm using here, you can use milk powder if that is what you prefer, but I'm using evaporated milk here. And then I'm going to serve this with some good bread. Okay, if you want to know how I made my sugar bread, then just check the link in the description. You get to know how I made it, and it tastes so good. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Try this and let me know how it goes in the comment section. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.